Exclusive from NigerHits.com.
Alright, go.
Yes. Let me shock you people.
Again, Madam Shock.
Yes, with the latest gist in town. Do you know that my guy?
Your guy, so tell us which one.
Not my guy now. Who put you on a make uploads?
He shock you.
Tell him upload. Yes, in this town, he's in town. You don't know the guy. Will you know?
You be mumu.
So I would like you guys to escort me to see him.
Wow! Let's see. It's me work now. I told you that I would teach you work, but don't be wrong.
See me here now. Look, I'm going now. What the hell is that? I'm going
I know.
You know my caps. I'm going my cap. Till the sea tabla. Yeah, who is that? Open the door.
I want to flex, man.
Forget this way like this. Boy, forget this way like this, guy. Just blow me 10,000 naira. Blow me 10,000 naira, I'll pay you back.
Somebody that is from London.
He shock you.
You are the prophet. Oh, Lagos, you should know. Boy, you should not.
Can you just borrow me this money or not?
Boy, I'm going to borrow you this money.
One condition.
Those your babes.